Welcome to Zimtech Prime, where we say innovate, integrate, and inspire. So, for those they love to travel, they love the adventure, they love the nature. Sometimes we are going to travel other places we don't know. So, I want to show you a free and simple application for map that give you direction where are we going for free. So, guys, you must know that this video is not sponsored. So now I want to show you how to download this application and how to use it. So even you are using Android or iPhone, you are going to use this application for free, no matter which devices do you have. For now, let me show you how could you download this application. So if you are using an Android, as I'm doing now, I'm using an Android phone, so I'm using Samsung Android phone. So follow this procedure step by step. Although you are using iPhone, same procedures you can follow. So now in Android, you could go to Play Store and download that application. In iPhone, Apple Store, download this application. So let me go to Play Store. Then if you go to Play Store, you go to, so after that you go to search button on top. Then after go on search button on top, you are going to type Map Guru on a search button like this. If you have been download this application, you're going to see it on top. If you're new, even you're new, you're going to see this on top. You can either click on Guru Offline Map or Map Guru on top. You choose what you want. Then you click Map Guru. Then you're going to see this application on top your search. So after that, you click install. Now it depends with your network how long it takes to download and install. So taking this moment. So guys, don't forget to like and share our video so that more people they can learn from our videos. And guys, you know what? You can ask anything that you want from our comment section there. Every comment is welcome to us. Now it has been installed into your phone or into your device. So now you click open, easier for you. So you click next. Click next. You click next. Then you're going to read all these things. Then you go next. Now you go next again. Now you're going to click while using this application. The moment that you open this application, you need to turn on your location so that you can work efficiently. So for now, let's turn on location. So you need to download the map of the country that you want to visit. For now, it has suggested me to download the Zimbabwe map because I'm in Zimbabwe now. So I need to download Zimbabwe map. It's about 160 megabytes. So it now depends. Okay. And mostly you need to log in. So I'm using. Sometimes you're going to face some adverts. You just close the advert like this one. So you see, you now downloaded your Zimbabwe.